just how to use promo codes with Facebook ad offers. As you're planning your offer project, as well as going on to the ad creation, what sort of coupon code will you utilize? Relying on your objectives, your target market, and exactly how you favor to track promo codes use, you must examine three sorts of promo codes. Generic. These codes can be utilized by anybody. These are effective as well as additionally effective in terms of establishing. For instance, you can develop one particular for all of your Facebook provides that may look a little something such as this. In brackets, capital BOGOFB. This stands for buy one and get one free deal. Or in brackets again, in capitals FB25OFF. This stands for a 25% discount. Feel free to introduce with these, however, make them brief and very easy to bear in mind. Distinct. Choose to not have your promotion codes shared around the internet and also possibly impact your monitoring of their resources. Test our unique discount codes and barcodes with your deal ads. With these, every individual that saves your offer will certainly obtain a various code. To set up these utilizing a CSV or a TXT document, directions and specs can be located right here. Barcodes as well as QR codes. If you're making use of the shop goes to campaign purpose, this is a super choice to test it out. Individuals can save your deal and redeem it at a later time in store. Please describe Facebook's advertisement aid facilities for deal ads, barcode format standards. Send reminders instantly. Asserted deals sitting stagnant. Stress not. Facebook has a gentle nudging service for that. As the bargain nears its expiry date, Facebook will certainly send out an automated advice to any type of people that asserted a deal and also didn't use it. Conveniently, as well as will certainly elevate your conversion rate offer, the seriousness as well as price cut factor. A notification comparable to this will certainly show up. Facebook offer ads automated pointer. As soon as you establish a deal advertisement and the customer saves it, they will certainly also obtain an email that may look like this. Facebook offers advertisement idea and finest techniques. Examine your Facebook offer ads in the most efficient method to figure out what jobs as well as what does not with your target market. However, there are a few typical ideal techniques that you must make certain to follow. Evaluate your job before publishing, as well as when you release a deal ad, you will certainly not have the ability to modify it. If somebody does need a modification, post published, disabled, as well as produce a new offer ad. Establish limitations. I have actually found one point really effective for our customers who make use of Facebook deals advertisements. Set a lower limit on the complete offer available. Most of the times these sell out given the lower quality attracting higher demands. We're additionally testing increments to see where our pleasant places with selling out and not having actually a lot left over that are unclaimed. Straightforward economics right here, yet it works. To set a restriction on the variety of offers you have offered, input a quantity in the overall offers ready available alternative to set an optimum. Please note, if you're making use of unique discount codes and also establishing restrictions, the complete offer available cannot surpass the number of one-of-a-kind codes that you submit. Attempting geo-targeting. If you are running an install deal, be mindful of your area target. If you have a physical location, you may see more success in targeting individuals within a certain radius target of the city you're based in, or by zip code, instead of showcasing your deal to individuals additionally away. It's simple to overlook this, yet you'll focus your spending plan and also raise your opportunities of offer claims as well as sales based on conversions by limiting your targeting. Examination of advertisement duplicate. While the creative opportunities are countless right here, if you're experiencing author's block, something we have actually seen work well for a lot of our e-commerce customers is examining advertisements that state something along the lines of, in brackets, delighting 10% off on us, or in brackets, treat your own to 25% off on us. Always add with us in the copy. Make your audience feel really special and be really concerning. It's like you're treating them due to the fact that nevertheless you are. Hope you find something helpful within this video. If you like it, please click the like button below, and also there's a bell up the top. If you click on that, press all, you'll get reminders when I put another one up. You'll find different links below my videos. Have a look through them, see if there's any that you think might help you. And thank you for watching. This is Ian Jackson signing off for now. Goodbye.